back here. So it's behind all this wood stuff. And it's a BC 5070. Got the wider pickup. It does not have a hydraulic tongue. No. Got the bale turner on the side. Doesn't look like it's in bad shape. We're gonna look at this baler some more. Let's see. Look at some of the things that need to be looked at. This is one of the differences on the 575 versus the BC 5070 is this belt's on the outside, so you don't have to take the gear off to put the belt on, which is kind of nice. Knotters look okay. They look alright. There is a little bit of rust. They weren't real good at cleaning it out, but to be honest with you, neither am I. So that's one of the things to look at. It's taken a little bit of a hit somewhere in there. There's definitely some little bit of rust in there. And they changed these on these.
Okay. Okay.
Not bad.
Love you.
Not in bad shape. See if we can see how the knives look. Really kind of wish it had either hydrophomatic bale tension or at least a hydraulic tongue. That can be made though. It's got the hay wedges in it. You see them in there? That's good. Well, we'll see what she goes for.